Tired of trading hours for dollars? Feeling like you're stuck on a hamster wheel where the only way to earn more is to work more? What if I told you there's a way to break that cycle? A way to build an asset that works for you 24/7, even while you're sleeping, traveling, or spending time on things you actually love. This is the power of digital products. The concept is simple but profound. You create something valuable once, a template, an ebook, a planner, and you can sell it an infinite number of times. No inventory, no shipping, no physical limitations, just pure, scalable profit. Sell once, earn forever. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a strategic side hustle that can transform into a serious income stream. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact 4-step sprint to launch your first digital product and start building your own passive income engine. So, let's dive into step 1. Find a problem people are already paying to solve. This is the most critical step. Don't try to invent a problem. Instead, become a digital detective. Your mission is to find existing pain points, frustrations, and desires that people are actively spending money to fix. Where do you look? Start with marketplaces like Etsy, Creative Market, or even Amazon's Kindle store. Search for terms like template, planner, or guide, and see what the bestsellers are. What are people buying? What problems are those products solving? Are they helping people get organized, learn a new skill, or save time on a tedious task? Read the reviews. The 5-star reviews tell you what people love, and the 3-star reviews tell you what's missing. That's your opportunity. Let's talk concrete examples. The most successful digital products fall into a few key categories. First, time-saving templates. Think about small business owners, content creators, or students. They're overwhelmed. A pack of 50 professionally designed social media templates for Canva can save them hours every week. That's a problem they will gladly pay to solve. Next, niche ebook tips. The key word here is niche. Don't write a general guide to getting fit. Instead, create a hyper-specific ebook like a 30-day meal plan for busy vegan professionals or the beginner's guide to sourdough baking. Specificity creates authority and attracts a dedicated audience that is searching for exactly what you're offering. They don't want a library, they want a single focused answer. And of course, printable planners. People love the feeling of organization. You could create a digital planner for GoodNotes or printable PDF pages for everything from budget tracking and project management to wedding planning or a fitness journey. The goal is to provide a clear, structured path that helps someone go from chaos to control. The secret is to focus on the transformation, not just the tool. Once you've identified a winning problem, it's time for step 2. Create fast. Perfectionism is the enemy of progress here. Your goal is not to create the most flawless, epic product in history. Your goal is to create a valuable version 1 product quickly so you can get it to market and start learning from real customer feedback. Speed is your advantage. So how do you create fast without sacrificing quality? First, use existing outlines. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. If you're creating an ebook, look at the table of contents of popular books in your niche. What topics do they cover? What's the logical flow? Use that as a skeleton for your own unique content. This isn't about copying, it's about understanding proven structures. Second, leverage swipe files. A swipe file is a personal collection of inspiration. As you browse the web, save screenshots of designs you love, sales pages that are effective, and color palettes that catch your eye. When it's time to create your own product and marketing materials, you'll have a library of proven ideas to draw from, which is far more efficient than starting from a completely blank slate. And third, use AI to draft. Tools like ChatGPT can be an incredible co-pilot. Use it to brainstorm ideas, generate a first draft outline for your ebook, or even write initial copy for your social media templates. The key is to use it as a starting point. AI can give you the raw clay, but it's your job to shape it. Then, you polish. This is where you add your human touch, your expertise, and your unique brand aesthetic. Refine the AI-generated text to match your voice. Tweak the template designs to be more user-friendly. Ensure the layout is clean, the colors are harmonious, and the final product is something you're proud to sell. The 80-20 rule applies here. 80% of the work can be accelerated with tools and templates, and the final 20% is your personal polish that makes it special. Now, you have a product. Step 3 is to package it professionally. The perceived value of your digital product is massively influenced by how it's presented. You need to package it in a format that is easy for your customer to access and use. The most universal format is the PDF. For ebooks, guides, and printables, a well-designed PDF is the gold standard. It's accessible on any device and maintains its formatting perfectly. Make sure it's easy to read, visually appealing, and if it's a printable, optimized for a standard sheet of paper. For design assets, Canva templates are king. Instead of just selling a static design, you can sell a link to an editable Canva template. This empowers your customer to customize the colors, fonts, and images to match their own brand. This adds immense value and is a huge selling point. You simply create your design in Canva, generate a template link, and deliver that link in a PDF with instructions. Finally, think about creating Etsy-ready files. If you're selling on a marketplace like Etsy, make sure your files are packaged in a way that aligns with their system. This usually means creating a zip file that contains your PDFs, a thank you note, and a quick instruction guide. A smooth, easy download experience leads to happy customers and great reviews. With your product created and packaged, we move to step 4, list with a clear benefit. This is where marketing begins. People don't buy products, they buy outcomes. Your product listing shouldn't just describe what your product, it must scream what your product for the customer. Your title, your images, and your description must all focus on the transformation. Instead of 50 Instagram templates, try save 10+ hours a week with 50 done-for-you Instagram templates. See the difference? One is a feature, the other is a benefit. A great way to structure your description is with 3 clear benefit-driven bullet points. Don't list every single feature. Pick the top 3 outcomes your customer will experience. For example, stop staring at a blank screen and post consistently. Create a professional, cohesive brand look in minutes. Free up your time to focus on growing your business. Each bullet point should overcome an objection or paint a picture of a better future, and your images are your most powerful selling tool. Don't just show a flat screenshot. Use mock-ups to display your product in a real-world context. Show your ebook on a tablet, your planner on a desk, your templates on a laptop screen. And always include a tiny preview screenshot or a grid image that shows the variety and quality of what's inside. This builds trust and helps customers visualize themselves using your product. Now for the launch, you don't need a massive marketing budget, you just need focused action. One powerful strategy is to launch with one paid ad. A small targeted ad on a platform like Pinterest, Instagram, or Facebook can drive your first sales and provide invaluable data. You can spend as little as $5 a day to test your product and see if it resonates with your target audience. Or, if you prefer an organic approach, aim for a single viral post. Create a short, value-packed video for TikTok or Instagram Reels that solves a tiny piece of the problem your product solves. For example, show a 15-second tutorial on how to use one of your templates, or share a top tip from your ebook. Provide real value for free, and then direct people to the full solution, your paid product, in your bio. Done right, one product can become passive income. I've seen single Canva template packs generate thousands of dollars a month. I've seen niche ebooks, written over a weekend, continue to sell for years. The key is that first sale. It's proof that you've successfully connected a problem with a solution. From there, it's all about scaling. So, how do you scale? The easiest way is to scale by cloning formats. If your Instagram templates sell well, create a similar pack for Pinterest or Facebook. If your budget planner is a hit, create a meal planner or a project planner using the same design style. You've already proven the concept, now you're just expanding your product line to the same audience. Another powerful scaling strategy is making bundles. Once you have 3 or 4 related products, package them together into a bundle and sell it at a slight discount. This increases your average order value and provides even more value to your best customers. For example, a small business starter kit could bundle your social media templates, your business planner, and an ebook on marketing. Now, let's talk about common pitfalls. The biggest mistake is poor design. Your product could have amazing content, but if it looks unprofessional or is hard to use, people won't value it. The fix? Keep it simple. Use clean fonts, a limited color palette, and plenty of white space. If design isn't your strength, buy a commercial use template to use as your base. Another pitfall is choosing a topic you're not interested in. You'll burn out. The fix is to find the intersection of what people will pay for and what you genuinely enjoy. Your enthusiasm will shine through in your product and marketing. Finally, many people give up after a week of no sales. Building a passive income stream is a marathon, not a sprint. The fix is to be patient, analyze your data, tweak your listing, and keep promoting. So let's recap the action plan. 1. Spend a weekend researching a problem people are paying to solve on Etsy or Creative Market. 2. Use tools like Canva and AI to create your version 1 product in a single day. 3. Package it as a user-friendly PDF or Canva template link. 4. Write a benefit-driven listing and launch with one small ad or one great social media post. That's it. That's the sprint. Start small, sell smart, and you'll be on your way to breaking free from the hours for dollars trap. You have the roadmap. Now, it's time to take the first step.